Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the display. Then we can enable or disable adaptive brightness, night light, that we can also schedule and change intensity. Next we can adjust splendid function. Then we can enable or disable low brightness DC dimming, smart screen, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen and change refresh rate between 165 Hz and 60 Hz. Then we can enable or disable eye protection mode, change display size and text size, enable or disable bold text, and hide high contrast text. Then we can change font style, animation speed, screen color scheme between light and dark, auto switch, and wallpaper tint in light mode. Then we can enable upscaling for the apps, adjust quick settings panel style between stock Android and ASUS optimized, and change power button menu. Then we can change status bar icons, change system navigation, enable or disable always on panel, lift to check phone, new notifications, screensaver, and in the end you can enable or disable LED indicator. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.